So hello guys, as you can see from the title, I'm going to make some pancakes, and as you can see, I have my egg, I have my milk, and then I have my wheat flour here, as you can see. So I'm going to use one of these because I'm not going to make a lot of pancakes. Then I'm going to share with you what I'm going to prepare. Sorry, I'm having a flu and I'm feeling like it's choking me, Also, my sound is not that good, but all the same, I wanted to share this recipe with you. So watch till the end as I prepare my pancakes. Wheat flour here. Here is the wheat flour. This one is going to be enough. Then I'm going to add milk here and some little water. Just little water. As I add, I'm going to see whether I need to add more. So I have to mix it. So I'm going to finish mixing it. I have to add little milk.
I'm cooking egg.
I'm cooking pancakes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm recording. Go sit in the sitting area. So you need something. You need something?
Yes.
What do you need?
Apple.
Okay, fine. Okay. So I'm going to mix this mixture here. I want to use my whisk. This one is a bit easier to use, Like it mixes faster. Let me add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. And some sugar. I just added little sugar and some salt. Then I'll continue mixing. It's not that deep. The thickness is better. Make sure you mix all the flour so that it becomes easy for you. So there we go. Then I'll have to add my eggs, and I usually advise whenever you're adding your eggs, be it you're cooking them or plain, or you're cooking pancakes, it's better you beat one egg at a time. Sometimes you beat all of them. Maybe the first two, they are okay. Like you see, this one is okay. It happens sometimes you like beat the first two, they are okay. Then when you're going to finish the third one, you find that it is spoiled. You end up spoiling all the eggs. So I advise you beat one egg at a time as you add to your mixture. So I'm going to add 2 eggs for this case, because as you saw, I only added 1 cup of wheat flour. So this one is going to be enough. Then we mix it. If you are joining what we just added, it is milk, some little water or some salt and sugar. Then we added 2 eggs and we made our mixture for the pancakes. I don't know whether you can see, but it's so nice. You see that? I think it's ready, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cover it. Then after that, I'll come and make the pancakes. I just want it to rest for a while. As I wait for it to rest a bit, I'm going to put the pan onto the fire, sorry. Then I'll come and make the pancakes. So there we go. I'll wait for it to rest here. Make the pancakes. Here I have the oil that I'm going to use for cooking, so let it rest there. So guys, the pancakes are ready. Regan is already enjoying his pancake and the tea, and that's what I prepared today. I hope you've liked this video, and subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. Continue spreading love with good intention. I don't take your support for granted. I'm so grateful. Yeah, be blessed. See you in the next one. Bye.